Far from the noise of the mainland, across the deep blue waters of the Bali Sea, lies an island untouched by time, wild, raw, and impossibly beautiful. This is Nusa Penida, the hidden gem of Indonesia. Carved by wind and waves, Nusa Penida is a place where nature still rules in its purest form. Towering cliffs rise hundreds of meters above the ocean, their edges shaped by centuries of relentless tides. Below them, turquoise waters crash against the limestone walls, sending mist into the tropical air. At first glance, the island feels almost otherworldly, rugged yet peaceful, isolated yet alive. Every corner hides a masterpiece. Kelingking Beach, with its world-famous T-Rex-shaped cliffs, reveals a stretch of golden sand that feels like a secret from another world. Broken Beach, with its natural arch carved by the sea, tells a story of time, erosion, and eternal motion. And Crystal Bay, where the water shimmers like glass, reminds us that beauty often hides in the quietest places. But Nusa Penida is more than just a paradise for the eyes. It is a sanctuary for life. In its waters, the manta rays glide gracefully through the currents, their wings moving like shadows beneath the surface. Inland, ancient temples such as Pura Giri Putri stand carved into caves, where soft light and the scent of incense fill the air. Here, spirituality and nature blend seamlessly, the sacred and the wild existing side by side. The island's roads twist through hills and valleys, past small villages where time seems to move slower. Locals smile as they pass by on motorbikes, carrying baskets of fruit or offerings for the temple. Life here follows the rhythm of the ocean, calm, steady, and deeply connected to the earth. From sunrise over Atu Beach to the fiery glow of sunset at Kelingking Cliff, every hour on Nusa Penida feels like a moment stolen from eternity. The air is filled with the scent of salt and frangipani, the sound of waves and distant chants. It is a place that humbles you, reminding you of how small we are and how grand the world can be. Nusa Penida is not just a destination, it is a feeling, a reminder that true beauty is often hidden off the beaten path. Here, at the edge of the Bali Sea, nature whispers in every wave, every gust of wind, and every sunrise that breaks over the cliffs. This is Nusa Penida, Indonesia, a wild paradise shaped by time, a sacred island of sea and stone, and a place where the earth still breathes freely.